Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Susie and this is the travel bag. And today I'm at the Gaylord in Denver, the Gaylord Rockies. So I'm going to show you my room. I just walked in. Before I mess up anything, I'm going to show everything to you. Let's do it. So I am actually at the door. And the first thing, actually the door has this thing here, which I really like, if I can make it work like this. So when you lock the door, even if someone wants to come in, it stops there. We have this huge armoire right here. Let's see, have an ironing board, good, because I might have to iron stuff. There's a safe. There's a thing for my suitcase, which I might actually, I think I'm actually, well, no, I don't think I need it right now. Oh, there's an, of course, there's an iron. And then there's a real hairdresser. More space up there for suitcases and stuff. So that's nice. Okay, and then you come here and you have, this is me. Hi. And then, I guess this is like the, yeah, this is the fridge. It's empty. And then here you have coffee. I have to remember to leave the coffee, everything set up for tomorrow so I can make coffee in the morning because I'm no one without coffee. And then here we come all the way to this mirror and this other mirror. So in the morning I'm gonna be able to see myself everywhere. I like the nice art decoration. Plenty of space in the tub, and I like that this is separate, so you can actually be there while someone else is brushing their teeth and stuff. So yeah, nice. Plenty of towels right here. I like this, and then everything is nice and skincare bar. Nice. I like it. He likes it. Okay, let's keep going. Then here we have the TV, my suitcase, and I think this is plenty of stuff. Plenty of space, yeah. 3 full drawers. And then this is if you have to do stuff on your work a little bit, which I will have to use that. And then this is it. This does not have, oh, you have the plugs there. I brought my plug with like 4 outlets, so I can just plug one and then put all the other ones next to it. Yeah. And then this is my view. It's not the best view, actually. I asked her if she could give me a high room with views to the mountains, and this is all she had. So yeah. It's a really pretty hotel. It's massive. It's like really, really massive. I imagine those are suites, and that's why I don't have one right there. But look at that. I'm gonna run there. Oh, there's a guy running already. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna run there tomorrow. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to running on property. So yeah. Well, that was a short and sweet tour of the room. I will do a review of the hotel as well, and I will have another video just showing you the facilities, like the actual facilities of the hotel. Now I'm gonna get changed because I've been traveling the whole day, and I'm gonna meet a coworker downstairs. We're gonna go to a reception because I'm here for a conference. There's a reception. I think it starts in like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna beauty myself up and go downstairs. Thanks for watching this video. If you like videos like this one, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and subscribe especially if you want to see the next video with the facilities at the Gaylord Rockies. So yeah, see you in the next video.